How to install a smoke detector. You're gonna need gloves, a screwdriver with a Phillips head, screwdriver bit, a new smoke detector. In this case, the box that I took this new smoke detector out of came with the smoke detector, the mount, and the wiring for it. And a ladder. And 3 wire nuts. And wire cutters. I already made a video on how to replace a smoke detector. You can check that video out. But in that video, I didn't explain like how to replace the wiring if you need to, because those are not always compatible with like across different brands of smoke detectors. Like in this case, like this one is smaller than the wiring that's already up there, so I'm gonna go over that step in installing this smoke detector. Also, the mount for this smoke detector is smaller than the previous smoke detector that was up there, so I'll go over how to install that also. Turn off the breaker to the smoke detectors. So first we're gonna take this old wiring down. It's attached by 3 wire nuts, so just unspin those or unscrew those, and they should come off. If they don't come off, then you might have to cut the wire. Just for safety, we'll put the wire nuts back on the wires that are coming out of the ceiling. So we're gonna have to cut these 2 wires because the wire nuts are not coming off. Wire cutters. Now we're gonna have to strip the wires just a little bit. Got our new wires here and the 3 wire nuts. Now we're gonna attach the new wiring. It's color coded, like black goes with black, white goes with white, and the orange or whatever goes with the red. So now we got screwdriver and there's a mount up in the ceiling and there are 2 screws coming down out of it. They're Phillips head screws, and so we're just gonna loosen the screws a little bit. Take your mount, the screws go through the mount through these holes here, and then it twists, and then we're gonna screw the screws back in that'll hold the mount in place. Now we're gonna push the wires like up into the ceiling. Except for this piece, you want this to still hang down a little bit. Smoke detector breaker on. New smoke detector. There are 3 prongs on the inside. They match up with the 3 holes in this. So then it just goes up into the mount and you spin it clockwise. Take the plastic out. This one you only have to press the button once, and then it connects to the other smoke detectors in the apartment. Like and subscribe.